Welcome to our tutorial on the trim command. First, let's activate the trim command. Under Mode, choose Standard, and under Trimmed Elements, I'll make my selections, this surface and this one. These buttons allow us to choose the other side of the selected elements. The Results Simplification checkbox lets you reduce the number of faces and resulting geometry when possible. Intersection Computation. This creates intersection curves for you. Checking Automatic Extrapolation is our last option. Let's click OK. We'll opt to keep all the sub-elements. Next, let's see how the trim function works with wireframe geometry. Let's activate the trim command again. We'll choose Standard Mode. Under Trimmed Elements, we'll select Sketch 2 and Sketch 1. We can choose to exercise the other side option, as well as the additional options, Result Simplification, Intersection Computation, etc. I'm going to click OK. Let's see one more example. I'll activate the trim function again, and now I'll use pieces. Watch what happens. I'll select this line. Now the entire circle becomes highlighted. Now I'll select this line. A segment of the circle becomes highlighted, along with a segment of this circle. Lastly, I'll select this line. And as a result, we have a closed contour right here. Let's click OK. Our resulting trim is now displayed. This concludes our tutorial on the trim command.